ሰላም ያራሽ ቤተሰቦች እንደናችሁ ዛሬም እንግዲህ ባበደ ቪዲዮ ተመልሼላችሁ መጥቻለሁ የሆነ ሰው የሆነ ሊንክ ላከልኝ ሰጀስት አድርገኝ የሆነ ቪዲዮ ብሎ ማለት ነው ሶ ብዙ ትራቨለሮች ወደ ኤርትራ ይሄዳሉ ግን ሞር ብሎጎቻቸው የትራቨል እንትነቻቸው ደስ አይልም ስለዚህ እሱን እስቲ አንድ አሪፍ ቪዲዮ አለ ያ4 ደቂቃ ቪዲዮ እሱን አብረን እናያለን በዛውም እስቲ ያው ቱርስ ያረጉ አዳዲስ ነገሮችን ያሳዩኛል ብዬ ስለማስብ እሱን አብረን እናያለን ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ ወደ ቪዲዮ
Gelato. Who is from Eritrea? Kiev del Eritrea.
You Italiano?
What is it? He's selling old Italian coins? Ravioli. What did you get?
So, የሆነ ነገር ሰማሁኝ ኤርትራ ውስጥ የሚኖረው በተለይ ድሮቹ ሰዎች በጣም ጣሊያንኛ በደንብ አቀላጥፈው ይናገራሉ የሚባል ነገር አለ እውነት ነው የምር ይናገራሉ አብዛኞቹ የድሮቹ
Lasagna, I got the same thing. It's so good. Benvenuti in Eritrea. As an Italian, what do you think about Asmara?
Yeah, it looks really Italian. I had the best spaghetti and pizza that I ever had outside Italy.
የጣሊያን ፌቨራይት ቢገው ስፓጌቲ እና ፒዛ ነው የትም ሄዱ እሱን ነው የሚበሉት
Wait a second. Italy in Africa? Okay guys, the wait is over. My huge trip to 18 countries in Africa begins now and I will be on the continent for the rest of the decade. First stop, Eritrea. If you're like me, you're probably scratching your head right now. Perhaps you've heard the name Eritrea before, or maybe you know a thing or two about it. But I bet that many of you have no idea what's happening here, so you're in for a real treat because this country is as unique as they come. Let's dive right into it. Eritrea is a country smaller than Oklahoma sitting on the Horn of Africa. Let's dive right into it.
Guys, ምን ያስማማኛል መሰላችሁ ዘ ኢታሊ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የሚለው ምናልባት ኢንፍራስትራክቸሩ ምናምን ስለሚመሳሰል እሱ ያስማማኛል ግን ዘ ኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የሚለው ነገር ግን ምንም አይስማማኝም በጣም ብዙ ቪዲዮ አየሁ በተለይ ትራቭል ቭሎጎች ሪአክት ያደረኩበትም አሉ የነሱ ምን እንደሚያገናኘው ኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ እንደሚሉት አይገባኝም የምሬን ነው ማለት
Eritrea is a country smaller than Oklahoma sitting on the Horn of Africa bordering Sudan.
ሰርች ካረጋችሁ ትራቭል ቭሎግ ወይም ትራቭል ቱ ኤሪትሪያ የሚል ቪዲዮ ሰርች ካረጋችሁ የአብዛኛው ታይትል መነሻ ዘ ኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የሚል ነው ለምን ነው ግራ ነው የሚገባኝ
Ethiopia, Djibouti, and the Red Sea not far away from Yemen. About 5 million people call this land home, which gained independence from Ethiopia on the exact day I was born, May 24th, 1991. So where does Italy fit into the picture? Let's rewind the clock back to the year 1882. The Italians rolled up on the shore and formed small settlements in Eritrea. As more Italians came, more roads and buildings were built, turning the capital of Asmara into one of the most charming towns in Africa. This is the main boulevard here, Liberation Avenue. Even though the Italians have been out for 45 years now, it's unbelievable how well preserved their influence remains. The colonial architecture brings me right back to Florence, or Milano. When you see that building behind me, you really think you're in Europe, but we are in Africa. There are pizza and pasta restaurants galore, cafes to serve you tasty cappuccinos. Wow, that looks amazing. Gelato, gelato, gelato. The bicycle culture to get from point A to point B. The super old Italian cars everywhere on the roads. So we are hitching a ride in a 1963.
ከመኪኖቹ ከኢንፍራስትራክቸሩ ከምግቦቹ ከእያንዳንዱ ነገር እንደውም ዘ ኢታሊ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የሚለው ነገር ሞር አክሰፕተብል ነው ከኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ ይልቅ ማለት ነው ጀስት ምንድነው እንደዛ ይላሉ አብዛኛው መተው ፋብለው ቆይተው ምናምን ሄደው እዛ ከዛ ታይትሉ ግን ኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ በጣም ይገርም
Fiat? Is it a Fiat? No, Renault. What do you like so much about Eritrea?
The weather, the peace, beautiful woman, yes.
Liquor shops serving you the best Italian spirits, aperitivos, and even many of the people here, especially the older generation, can speak and understand Italian fluently.
ያልኩትም ማለት ነው በቃ አለው እሱ ራሱ
A car that goes anywhere.
This car?
Yeah, this car.
That's awesome. Eritrea feels like you've stepped back in time, back 30 or 40 years, because here, time just stands still. Salam. How are you? It's a cash-only society, and there are no ATMs or credit cards accepted. People still use payphones to make calls. Many of the cars are old and rustic. There aren't any modern buildings, and the people are so diverse, with 9 ethnic groups speaking 10 official languages. There's never a dull moment to wander these streets, and even though they're very shy, I've received nothing but smiles and warm hospitality.
Wow. Name? Drew.
What a cool place. I'm really excited to dig deeper into this fascinating hidden culture over the next few days. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Are you from where did you come?
Huh?
From where?
From US.
Oh, which state?
Arizona.
Arizona?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, Texas?
No, Arizona.
North?
South.
South, from Texas. We say like that, Texas. Arizona, is it a village?
No, it's a state.
Is it near to Alabama?
No, not near Alabama.
You know, is it your home is sweet home, yeah?
Yes.
Did you see the movie?
Yes.
You heard this is taken a long time ago, yeah? What's your name?
Drew, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Drew.
Jew?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Very nice name.
Nice to meet you.
But you are Christian, yeah? Your name is Jew, but you are Christian.
Drew.
You are Jew?
D-R-E-W.
Yes, Jewish. Jew.
Yeah.
Son of, father of Jesus Christ.
I know.
Oh, yeah, good for you.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join.
This is a video. አላየሁም ማለት ለኛው በጣም ብዙ ሀገሮች ይዞራል እና አይ ቲንክ እንደ ኢንትሮ ነገር ነው። ሙሉ ቪዲዮ ነው ያለው ብቻ ያቃይስ የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን እኔ ወስን ነበር አውፋታ ዘና እንዳላችሁ በከኔ እኮ እንዴ ትክክለኛ ነገር የሚቀርጹ ትራቭል ብሎጎች ካሉ ሊንክ ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። የምር የሆነ ዝም ብሎ እንደ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ሳይሆን ትክክለኛ ቪዲዮን ሄደው ሪሊ የሚቀርጹ አሉ ዩቲዩበሮች የሚመጡ የነሱ ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከማገኛችሁ ሁላችሁንም ወዳችኋለሁ። ባይ